अच्छा मैडम, आपके हिसाब से व्हाट इज कोरोना वायरस एंड हाउ इट हैज come to earth?
Coronavirus is a very bad disease. It is a disease that makes us all sick, but we need to defeat this virus.
How we are going to defeat this virus? How are we going to defeat this virus?
See, this virus has come from a faraway planet. A faraway planet called Proxima.
Okay. Okay.
And in that, there are some alien scientists.
Okay.
Those alien scientists are the virus makers. They send it to each and every planet of the Milky Way or other galaxies. So this happened on Proxima. The disease started to give life. First, let me tell you how it was made. First, they put a mixture of virus into a glass of accidentally urinous, ice, cold blood. They mix some virus powder, 2 pounds of virus powder, and mixed it.
Okay.
Then they put a big informer that I will create havoc, run, get ill. But no, we will not get ill from the corona.
We have to give a plate for melon sanitizer. No, sanitizer melon, right? And how do you know that he wants and he will go away with this?
Because I talk to him in every dream.
He comes to you in every dream. Then why don't you tell him to go away?
Because he can talk to me.
And what does he tell you? What does he tell you?
He tells me that he wants to create a havoc every time I say no.
So what is the solution?
The solution is we have to do these things frequently. Rub your hands with sanitizer. Rub your hands with sanitizer. Always listen to your heart, what it's saying to get rid of the coronavirus.
Keep on taking your temperature.
Always check your temperatures if it's stable or not.
Okay. Acha, why does coronavirus only talks to you in your dream? Why it doesn't comes to us?
Because it can talk to me only.
But why? Do you have some superpowers?
Yep.
What superpowers are those?
The superpowers are I use sign language with the coronavirus. The coronavirus only understands sign language.
So I think so you can tell the word, you can share it with the scientists through sign language so that we can also talk to coronavirus. And he can go away quickly.
Yes.
So can you show us some sign language and tell what are those?
Okay. I would love to.
What is this happening?
I am saying that please go away. Make havoc at your own research laboratory
Okay.
where you were born. Kill those aliens and you will promise me that you'll never come back to Earth.
And coronavirus told you that he wants to have that sanitizer melon.
Yes, he loves it a lot.
But he will die after eating it, no?
Yeah, but it's okay. He loves melon.
So he loves melon and he will die after that. And what all things, can you just repeat what all things we have to give it to him? Sanitizer. How recipe please?
Take a muskmelon or a watermelon. Cut it open. If you have taken a watermelon, just ooze out the water of it. Then replace it with sanitizer. Close it and cut a boat pointed shaped piece and put it on a plate with a fork, bib, spoon and a knife.
He knows how to eat with spoon and fork.
Yes.
He has hands also.
Yes.
Oh, I too was looking like a laddu to me.
No, that's how we spread it.
He spreads like a laddu. How does it?
This is his laddu.
Okay.
Spreading. Then it grows hands, eyes, everything.
So it comes in a form of a laddu first of all.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I see. Anything else you want to say, doctor?
No thanks. I mean, yes. If your heartbeat goes to then you're afraid of the coronavirus.
So are you afraid of coronavirus? Are you afraid of coronavirus? I don't think so you're afraid of coronavirus.
No, I am not at all afraid of the coronavirus.
Because I think so you are the only one he is talking with.
Yeah.
On the entire Earth planet, he is talking only to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy.
And stay protected. Thank you.